Hello friends, welcome to the VMS class. So we are going to take another important program to check whether a given number is even number or odd number using the Python programming language. So to understand this, in Python we need to know one operator, modulus. So if you take any number, let's take 6. 6 modulus 2, the remainder for this is 0. This percentage or the modulus symbol will give 0 if the number is divided with 2. Okay. For example, if I take 7 modulus 2, it will give you the remainder 1. And let me take 10 modulus 2, it will give the remainder 0. And if you take 11 modulus 2, the remainder is 1. If you observe this, any number modulus 2, if the remainder is 0, then we can say that it is an even number. If the remainder is 1, then we can say that it is an odd number. So we are going to check 6 modulus 2. If this is equal to 0, the returns true, right? So if this is true, then we can print the number is even number, otherwise it is an odd number. This is a very simple logic to find a number is even or odd. So let me take a new file. Here I am going to save the program as program 6. Okay. Now let's take the number equal to int of input of enter a number. Okay, enter a number. So we have to use the if keyword to check the condition. If number modulus 2, if this is equal to 0 colon, this is for indentation. Okay, if this is true, print the number is even. We are going to print the number is even. Else you are going to print the number is odd. Very simple logic, and please check the syntax before going to execute this program. There are indentations here. Properly check the indentation, otherwise you will get the syntax errors. Now let's save this program and go to the run. Click on the run module. Now here enter a number. If I give 6, it is printing the number is even. Let me execute the program. One more test case. Enter the number 7, it will give the number is odd. So this is the logic here. You have to remember, if the number modulus 2, if you divide any number with 2, the remainder is 0, then we can say it is an even. How can you get the remainder? The modulus operator will give you the remainder. If you use number by 2, it will give you the quotient. Okay, I want the remainder. Now the number modulus 2 will give you 0 for the even number. For odd numbers, it will be 1. If 1 equal to 0, the condition is false. At that case, else block will be executed. Okay. So this is another simple and important program to find the number is even or odd. Okay. So let's write the source code here. Then I am providing all these programs in this GitHub repo. So if you want, you can check this link to get the source code of all these programs. Okay. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.